For beverages, you need to choose as to whether you want liquor served at your party. No matter whether you select to serve alcohol, you must have the ability to purchase your party beverages from many grocery stores. If you have a swimming pool, it may be a great idea to incorporate swimming into your backyard barbecue. Nevertheless, it is optional. If you are planning on allowing your party guests to use your pool, you may wish to consider establishing some guidelines. These rules must concentrate on swimming pool security and kids in the swimming pool. While developing rules at your BBQ may look like a bad concept, it is not, especially when it pertains to pool safety. In addition to the foods that you have an interest in serving, you may also wish to prepare how those foods will be made. Of course, the function of a BBQ party is to barbecue the foods then, but most of the side meals will need to be prepared ahead of time. To assure that all of your side dishes are prepared on time, you might need to begin preparing them the day before your BBQ or earlier that early morning. If you are having a big party, you might need to make a big amount of food. If this is the case, it might be a great idea to have party guests bring a side dish as well. Yard barbecue parties, like many other parties, require planning while the preparation. Connected with a backyard BBQ might not be as large as many other parties, it is still important. The correct planning of a party, including a barbecue, will help to make sure that your party is the very best that it can be. Because of that, you may wish to start making party plans as quickly as you make the decision to host a party. Given that backyard BBQ parties are centered on food, you will want to consider the food that you will serve. To please all of your party guests, you will want to have a fairly large choice of meats. This will assist to make sure that all of your party guests are able to eat the foods that they like. In addition to meats, you may likewise wish to consider side dishes. Popular BBQ party side dishes may consist of, however, need to not be limited to tossed salads, macaroni salads, coleslaw, and fruit salads. Of course, you will also wish to invite your guests to your party. This can be done with formal invites, a fast phone call, or a quick email. In addition to notifying visitors of your barbecue party, a guest list may also help you prepare for the special day. If you routinely cook your meals on a BBQ grill, you are not alone. Grilling is a popular American pastime. While many people wind up grilling for their household, not everyone makes the choice to host a backyard BBQ party, despite the fact that it is a good idea. If you are thinking about mingling and sharing great food with your good friends, family, colleagues, or neighbors, you might want to, at least, think about planning a yard BBQ party. While yard BBQs are centered on food, additional activities may be a great idea. At most outlet stores, you may be able to find a variety of economical toys or yard activities. Many individuals, especially teenagers or men, take pleasure in playing sports. A football, basketball, or horseshoe pit might be a great addition to your backyard barbecue. If kids will be participating in your party, you might want to have child-friendly games on hand. Aside from the primary food served at your barbecue, you may also want to consider beverages and treats. For a reasonable cost, you need to have the ability to obtain a number of various treats for your barbecue. Great snack ideas include crackers and cheese, cookies, chips, and pretzels. The benefits of organizing a yard BBQ. The good idea about yard barbecue parties is that the majority of them can be planned in a short period of time. While it is still recommended that you prepare specific things ahead of time, such as food, beverages, and party games, you do not necessarily have to. With a little effort and decision, you may be able to toss a backyard BBQ party together in a couple of days, or even in a few hours. The more help you have the ability to receive, the quicker you may have the ability to prepare a party, including a yard barbecue. Another advantage of preparing a backyard BBQ party is that you can plan your party any way that you want. This means that if you are only interested in having a little gathering, you can do so. You can likewise choose which food, beverages, or snacks are offered to visitors. You can likewise identify when your party will begin and when it will end. This freedom is perfect due to the fact that it can prevent you from worrying excessively over preparing the perfect party. As you can easily see, there are a number of different advantages to hosting your own backyard barbecue. Whether you have a reason for preparing a yard BBQ party or not, it is likely that you will be glad that you chose to prepare it. In fact, many party hosts find that they had so much fun that they wind up hosting another party not long after. Maybe among the best benefits of having a backyard barbecue party is that you will have a possibility to see everyone that you know. When preparing a backyard barbecue, many party hosts make the decision to invite their friends, family, neighbors, and even coworkers. Whether you get to see these people regularly or in a rare event, you might enjoy having all of your family and friends together in one location. Perhaps the best advantage of hosting a yard barbecue party is that you will have a chance to relax. Despite the fact that you might be the party host, you will likely discover that you have the ability to find time to enjoy your own party. This can easily be done by taking little breaks or by asking for help from others. Whether you invite your friends, family, neighbors, or coworkers, it is likely that a variety of your party guests would be more than happy to help you set up yard furniture, cook food, or even tidy up. In addition to inviting those that you know, a backyard BBQ party can provide you the chance to familiarize yourself with new friends or family members. Whether your family recently grew through marriage or birth, or a new neighbor moved into the neighborhood, you might want to consider hosting a backyard barbecue. Not just will a backyard BBQ offer you the opportunity to meet new people, but it may also make those new people feel invited. Each year, many Americans prepare a barbecue meal in their yard. In spite of the fact that barbecuing is a popular backyard activity, there are lots of people that never think about having a backyard barbecue party. If you like entertaining visitors and barbecuing, you may want to think about making your next party a BBQ party